Ano ang mangyayari kung ang isang buong mansanas ay aking hahatiin upang ibigay kay Arky ng San Fernando, Pampanga, isang grade 1 na matinik sa mathematics? Ano ang tawag sa kalahati ng buo? Papaano natin isusulat bilang isang bilang o salitang bilang? At yan ay ating pag-uusapan sa videong ito.
Hi, my name is Arkin. I am 5 years old. Fractions. The fraction is 2/6. TWOSIXTHS. The fraction is 1/2. ONEHALF. The fraction is 2 halves. TWOHALVES. The fraction is 3/6. THREESIXTHS. The fraction is 2/4. The fraction is 2/4. TWOFOURTHS. The fraction is 1/3. ONEDHIRD. The fraction is 5/5. FIVEFDHS. The fraction is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fraction is 1/10. ONEDENTH. The fraction is 2/4. TWOFOURTHS. The fraction is 4/6. FOURSIXTHS. The fraction is 1/6. ONESIXTH. The fraction is 3/6. THREESIXTHS. The fraction is 1/4. ONEFOURTH. The fraction is 1/5. ONEFIFDH. The fraction is 4/5. FOURFIFDHS. The fraction is 1/5.
Congratulations, Arky, for the job well done. Yayain mo na ang iyong mga kaklase at mga kaibigan to join IVFC. Ito ay isang libreng pamamaraan upang mas lalo tayong maging magaling sa math. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.